Little storyteller.
Bandit the Raccoon had soft, gray fur and bright, curious eyes. He tiptoed past Mrs. Higgins' sunny window. On the windowsill sat a yummy blueberry pie, its sweet smell floating in the air. Bandit's tummy rumbled. He peeked around. No one was looking. Quick as a wink, Bandit snatched the pie and scampered away to his cozy tree hollow. Inside his hollow, Bandit gobbled the pie. It was the tastiest pie he had ever eaten. But soon his tummy started to feel a little funny, and his heart felt even funnier. He looked at the empty pie tin. It didn't feel good to take something that wasn't his. Bandit carefully carried the empty tin back to Mrs. Higgins' window. He put it back on the sill. Then he gently tapped on the glass. Mrs. Higgins, a kind lady with a warm smile, opened the window. Bandit looked down at his paws. I took your pie," he squeaked. "I'm sorry," Mrs. Higgins smiled. "Oh, you brought the tin back. That was very thoughtful, little one." Bandit wiggled his nose. "I ate the pie," he said sadly. "Can I help wash your dishes to say I'm really, really sorry?" Mrs. Higgins chuckled. "That's a very kind offer, Bandit." Bandit carefully washed the plates in a bubbly sink. Mrs. Higgins hummed a happy tune as she dried them. When they were finished, Mrs. Higgins gave Bandit a small, freshly baked cookie. "Honesty is always the best choice, Bandit," she said gently. "It makes everyone feel good." Bandit smiled, munching on his cookie. His tummy felt happy, and his heart felt even happier. He learned that even though blueberry pie is yummy, being honest is even sweeter. Did you know that raccoons are very good at using their paws, almost like little hands, which helps them wash dishes carefully?
Please subscribe. Thank you.